In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone or iPad spotlight search not showing results. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do, and you can do it on any iPhone or iPad. So all you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then scroll down again. Then you're going to see suggestions. Now what you want to do is turn off a few different toggles. Show in-app library, show listening suggestions, and suggest apps before searching. Then you can also reset hidden suggestions as well. Then what we want to do is swipe out or just close our settings, wait about 10 seconds, then go back to our settings, go back to Apple Intelligence and Siri, go back to that section. And now what I'm going to do is literally just turn those toggles back on, and then you should be good to go. Try again and it should be fine. If that still doesn't work, then just go ahead and long press your volume up and your power button, and then slide to power off, restart your phone, and then it should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.